So in this problem, they give us HEXGON is a regular hexagon. So we want the ratio of HX to NO. All right, let's see how well I can draw a regular hexagon. All right, not great, not terrible. Now let's label this HEXGON. So what we want is we want the ratio of HX, which is right here, to NO. Now NO is one of the sides of this hexagon. So to make this easy, let's make them all 1. Now the thing to remember about a hexagon is that a hexagon can be broken up into some 30, 60, 90 right triangles, because each angle in a hexagon is 120. So if I zoom in right here, we should have 60 here and 60 here, 30 here and 30 here. So these form the hypotenuse of these 30, 60, 90 right triangles. So that means the short side is 1/2, and then each of these is 1/2 times the square root of 3. So you have 1/2 times the square root of 3. So altogether, their length is square root of 3. So if I want the ratio, then this is in the ratio of square root of 3 to 1. So that is our ratio.